Onedon gang trial, Blackman's attorney blasts expert witness. The attorney for alleged gang leader Andre Blackman Brian, yesterday blasted a witness in the Klansman gang trial, calling him a liar.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now, Blackman, him there jail, him and the other 33, and them have the police witness, ex-police witness on the stand. And Blackman attorney I try wait name the time up. But from how this case look, Blackman them goose cook, because the prosecutor and the witness then lay out the whole thing, and it would be impossible for them to go to jail. Now, they might get certain charge, get through out, but the judge there, Justice Sykes, him overanalyze everything. Him realize say him had everything rest on him head, and him had try make sure everybody constitutional rights is with upheld, and yeah, him had try, but yo, the prosecutor and the police then do a good job. Yo, my name is Countryman. Wanna watch the rest of the video, and remember, click on another video, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.
The witness, a retired police investigator, last week told the court the sole defendant Stephanie Christie tried to bribe him with $100,000 for the police to release Brian from police custody. According to the retired crime fighter, he told Christie she should instead bring him 2 rifles belonging to the criminal organization. Brian's attorney, Lloyd McFarlane, yesterday asked the witness why he was using Brian's release as leverage when the police had no legal right to arrest him. According to McFarlane, Brian was never a suspect and he was not to be held against his will. But the witness says Brian was a person of interest as the police was investigating several murders in the St. Catherine North Division. So you lied to mama, you have been lying a lot. McFarlane asked. But the witness says he's not a liar. He used unconventional methods when he asked Christie to take in the 2 rifles and he'd have Brian released. A fuming McFarlane shot back at the witness saying, "Is it fair to say the only reason we shouldn't describe you as a lying policeman is because you are no longer a policeman?" According to McFarlane, the witness had made no mention of his conversations with Christie nor with Brian in his statements to the police.